Hello students, good morning. Again we are with the chapter 2. This is part 3rd. In previous videos we have done the addition stories. You can say addition statement questions we have done in previous video. And today our topic is addition and subtraction together. Means in a single statement, in a single question, we will do addition and subtraction टुगेदर. दोनों हम एक साथ करेंगे, एडिशन भी और सब्ट्रैक्शन भी. एंड सेकेंड टॉपिक इज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन. सेकेंड टॉपिक इज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन. सो टुडे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दीज टू टॉपिक्स. नाउ कम टू द फर्स्ट टॉपिक which is addition and subtraction together like this. So now there is one statement in front of you. In this statement बच्चा addition and subtraction बेटा both the things are together. दोनों साइंस क्या है, दोनों एक साथ हैं एक ही क्वेश्चन में. So how you will do this? See in board mass we have studied that addition come first. क्या आता है, addition. Or you can say add come first and subtraction be the last. So from this questions first what we do, हम firstly क्या करेंगे, add करेंगे. Now addition भी आप कैसे करोगे? See there is the addition symbol between these two. It doesn't mean कि आप इन दोनों को ऐड करोगे. एडिशन तब होता है जब दोनों नंबर्स किस चीज़ के हों, प्लस के हों. So now there is no sign before this number. It means this number is of plus. ये नंबर कैसा होगा, प्लस का. So this and this first we will add both these number. 8 3 4 8 5 7 3. From right side again start write 5 9 2 2 3 5 and 1. ऐड करो. 3 plus 5 8. 7 plus 9 16. Again 1 goes carry. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 1 8. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 1 9. So the answer is 98,80,868. Now with this sum we will subtract this number. From this number we will subtract. Write this as it is here. 988086 8. Now we have to subtract again from right side. 9 9 1 4 9 1 4. Right. Now 8 minus 9 not possible. This become 5 and it becomes 18. 18 minus 9 9. 15 minus 9 6. 7 minus 1 6. It becomes 10 and this becomes 7. 10 minus 4 6. 7 minus 9 not possible. It becomes 7 and this 17. 17 minus 9 8 and 7 minus 1 6. 9 minus 4 5. So this is the way to do addition and subtraction together. Right? आप ऐसे करोगे. Firstly we will add the numbers. See if this addition is here, then simply आप दोनों numbers को add कर सकते थे because this number is also plus and this one is also plus. Right? Now come to the question number 2nd, which is like this. Now again there is no symbol here. It means this number is of plus. So first we will add the plus numbers. 2 4 1 3 1 5 2 0. From that side, right side, 6 3 1 3 2 7 3 and 6. Now add 0 plus 6 6, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 2 5, 1 plus 7 8, 4 plus 3 7 and 2 plus 6 8. Right? Now from this number we will subtract this number. Right, it is 8 7 8 5 4 6 and 5 6. Again from right side, 6 8 3 7 5 1 2 and 5. Now minus 6 minus 6 0. Can't subtract 8 from 5, so it becomes 15 and this becomes 5. 15 minus 8 7, 5 minus 3 2. This becomes 14 and it becomes 4. 14 minus 7 7. 4 minus 5 not possible. Again it will take carry. This becomes 7. 14 minus 5 9. 7 minus 1 6. 7 minus 2 5 and 8 minus 5 3. So answer is 3 crore 56 lakh 97,270. Right? Now come to question number 3rd. Question number 3rd equals to digits are like this: 5 4 7 0 4 8 2 8. Right? Now plus 1 2 5 0 1 2 3 6. So that minus 3 1 8 2 6 8 0 4. Right? Now see beta, in this question the plus is between these two numbers. As we know, first number no sign is there, it means it is a plus. So we will add firstly these two numbers: 5 4 7 0 4 8 2 8. Start from right side: 6 3 2 1 0 5 2 1 plus 8 plus 6 14, 1 goes carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 8 plus 2 10. Again 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 0 plus 0 0, 7 plus 5 12. 1 goes carry, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 1 6. Right? 6 crore 72 lakh 6,064. Second step is subtract this 6 crore 72 lakh 6,064. Again from right side: 0 8 6 2 8 1 3. Subtract 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 0 6, 10 minus 8 2. This become 5. 15 minus 6 9. See, it gives carry, ये 1 ये 10. 10 से यहाँ आ गई कैरी, 15 हो गया, this become 9. 9 minus 2 7, 11 minus 8 3. Right? This become 6. 6 minus 1 5. 6 minus 3, 3. So the answer is 3,53,79,260. Right? So this is the way to do the addition and subtraction together in the question. Now come to question number 4, which is same as it is. Firstly we will add the numbers. Firstly हम क्या करेंगे, numbers को add करेंगे and then subtract. Right? So fourth question will be 4,5,5,6,7,4,0,6 minus 3,2,2,6,1,1,5,9 plus 1,3,1,2,4,1,8,2. Right? Again beta, first number has no sign in front of that. In front of first number there is sign of, no sign is there, it means that is of plus. So plus we will add this and this number, because this number having negative sign and this number having positive sign. So add 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 4, 0, 6. From right side 2, 8, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1. Add 6 plus 2, 8, 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 goes carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. Right? Now next step is subtract. Subtract the number. 5, 8, 6, 9, 1, 5, 8, 8. Now we have to subtract from right side. 5, 1, 1, 6, 2, 2, 3. Now subtract. See, we can't subtract 9 from 8. So this becomes 18 and this becomes 7, because it gives carry. 18 minus 9, 9. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. Answer is 2,34,30,429. Right? Now fifth question you will do yourself. Come to the question number 6. A warehouse had 44 lakh 34,091 bags of wheat. How much bags? 44 lakhs 34,091 bags of wheat. Of these, 12 lakhs 9,845 were sold. How many bags were sold? 12 lakh 9,845 bags. Right? Now 11 lakh 234 bags were stored in the warehouse. So how many bags are stored in the warehouse now? See beta. Now firstly, how many bags were there? 44 lakh. Around 44 lakh. Out of these 12 lakh bags were sold. It means sold means वहाँ से जा चुके हैं. So minus. After that, now 11 lakh more bags were stored. It means plus. We have to arrange them like this. Question number 6 is number 6. Number of bags. How many bags are there? 44,34,091. Right? Number of bags sold. Number of bags sold. How many? 12,09,845. Now more packets stored. More packets stored. Either firstly we will find the number of bags left. See, these bags already there. Total bags are this much. These bags were sold. So number of bags left. Number of bags left. Left means subtraction. 11 minus 5, 6. 8 minus 4, 4. 10 minus 8, 2. 13 minus 9, 4. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. And 4 minus 1, 3. So how many bags were there? 32,24,246. Now more bags stored. More bags stored. See beta, more bags stored means कि this much bags come more in the warehouse, that is 11,234. That this much bags were more come there. So we have to find how many bags are stored in the warehouse now. So number of bags, what we will do, plus or minus? Numbers of bags in warehouse. Number of bags in warehouse now equals to plus these two numbers 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 0, 0 and 11. Right? Add 6 plus 4, 10. 1 become carry. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So this much number of bags of wheat are present in the warehouse. Clear? See beta, if left sold is given, it means, and left they are asking, it means what you have to do? Subtract the number, and after subtraction they are saying that more bags come there, कि और bags भी आए हैं 11,234. So what do we do? We'll add them, right? Now question number 7. 8 years ago population of the country was this. Next year it decreased by 7,32,30,982. Decreased means what we do? Subtraction there. However, in the present year it increased by. अब increase हुई है means डिक्रीज करने के बाद जो हमारे पास पॉपुलेशन आएगी उसमें इंक्रीजमेंट हुआ है, तो वी व्हाट वी डू, विल प्लस देयर, राइट? सो नाउ कम टू द 7th क्वेश्चन. it was like this. Question number 7. Total population how much? 31 crore 56 lakh 31 crore 56 lakh 83,927. After that, population decreased. Population decreased. For decreased, what we do? Subtract. And how much the population decreased? 7 crore 32 lakh 30,982. Right? So population left. Population left. How many population left? Subtract. 3, 1, 5, 6, 8, 3, 9, 2, 7. Again from right side. 2, 8, 9, 0, 3, 2, 3 and 7. Now subtract. 7 minus 2. What comes there? 5. 12 minus 8, 4. 8, 18 minus 9, 9. 2, 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. 11 minus 7, 4. And here 2 left. So how much population left? 24 crore 24 lakh 52,945. Now population increased. क्या हुआ उसके बाद? Population increased. How much it increased? 1 crore 74 lakh 9,834. Now what we have to find? Present population. We have to find present population. So increase हुई है, it means we will add these two numbers. So present population equals to 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 9, 4, 5, 4, 3, 8, 9, 0, 4, 7, 1 plus 5 plus 4, 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 become carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 9, 12, again 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 4, 8, 2 plus 7, 9, 4 plus 1, 5 and 2. So present population is 25 crore 98 lakh 62,779. Right? So this is about our first topic, which is addition and subtraction together. Now our second topic is about the properties of addition. About the properties of addition. So our second topic is properties of addition and subtraction. Now these three properties of addition. Now we are starting with the first property, which is whenever we change the order of the number. Order means कि फर्स्ट वाला जो नंबर है दैट साइड सेकंड पे है और सेकंड वाला नंबर फर्स्ट पे है. ये होता है ऑर्डर चेंज करना. राइट? सो इफ वी चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द नंबर देन द सम विल नॉट चेंज. अगर आप नंबर्स का ऑर्डर चेंज करते हैं देन ऑल्सो भी द सम इज सेम. तो भी दोनों में क्या होगा? सम जो है दोनों नंबर्स का वो सेम ही रहेगा. लाइक 1 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 1. यहाँ पे 1 फर्स्ट था, यहाँ पे सेकंड आ गया, दिस साइड 2 सेकंड था, दिस साइड 2 भी फर्स्ट. So 1 plus 2 3 and 2 plus 1 3. So first property of addition is suggested that if you change the order of the number, the sum will not be changed. अगर आप नंबर्स का ऑर्डर चेंज करेंगे तो सम चेंज नहीं होगा. नाउ प्रॉपर्टी सेकेंड, a प्लस b प्लस c, दीज आर द नंबर्स बेटा. ये फर्स्ट नंबर है, ये सेकेंड है, ये थर्ड है. इन दिस प्रॉपर्टी दे आर सेइंग इफ यू चेंज द ग्रुप, लाइक वी हैव डन एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन टुगेदर. अगर हम क्या करते हैं, फर्स्टली हम फर्स्ट और सेकेंड नंबर को ऐड करते हैं, उसके बाद प्लस विद द थर्ड नंबर, राइट. एंड फ्रॉम दिस साइड वी विल ऐड second and third number together, and after with the sum we will add third number. So in this condition also the sum will not change. अगर आप नंबर्स की ग्रुपिंग चेंज कर देते हैं, देखो यहाँ फर्स्ट और सेकंड नंबर का ग्रुप था, यहाँ सेकंड और थर्ड का हो गया. इफ यू आर चेंजिंग द ग्रुप्स ऑफ द नंबर देन ऑल्सो बी द सम इक्वल्स टू द नंबर. तो भी क्या होगा, सम इक्वल रहेगा. प्रॉपर्टी थर्ड क्या कहती है, प्रॉपर्टी थर्ड ऑफ एडिशन इज 0 प्लस a इक्वल्स टू एनी नंबर. सो 0 प्लस नंबर इक्वल्स टू नंबर, और नंबर प्लस 0 इज ऑल्सो इक्वल्स टू द नंबर. तो क्या आएगा, नंबर. सी इफ यू ऐड 0 टू द नंबर or number to the 0, answer be the same. See 3 plus 0 or 0 plus 3, answer be the 3, right. Now next is about the properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. First property, if you subtract any number, any 0 from any number, then answer be the number. अगर आप किसी नंबर में से 0 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो देन आंसर बी द नंबर. दिस इज सजेस्टेड बाय द प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट. नाउ प्रॉपर्टी 2, इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट नंबर फ्रॉम द नंबर, अगर हम नंबर से नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं देन आंसर बी द 0. आंसर क्या आएगा, 0. क्लियर अबाउट दीज प्रॉपर्टीज. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द एक्सरसाइज 2.5. So these are the some questions which are based on the properties of addition. So first we will do this question. After that we will do the question based on the properties of subtraction. Now first of all, in first question how many numbers are there, 1 and 2. Now remember about the property first. If we change the order, see बेटा, first of all जो ब्लैंक्स हैं उनके आंसर आपको क्वेश्चंस में ही गिवन है. हाउ यू विल चेक दैट द आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट. नाउ सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट. जो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नंबर था वो वहाँ पे क्या था, सेकेंड, एंड द सेकेंड विल बी फर्स्ट. सो सी दीज टू नंबर्स आर सेम, इट मीन्स दिस नंबर विल कम हियर. 3 2 4 7 1 4 2 3, right. Because property first is what saying, if we change the order of the number sum will not be changed, right. Now first number will be second and second number will be the first. So यहाँ से हम ये second number ले सकते हैं, 3 5 1 2 3 5 4 6. See I already told you बेटा, number will not change. Order means कि position change हो सकती है, number change नहीं होंगे. Now this first will be there, second 6 5 5 3 2 5 5 and 2, right. Now come to C part. See here groups are there. यहाँ पे क्या है, नंबर्स की एक ग्रुप है. सो हमें पता है कि ग्रुपिंग प्रॉपर्टी प्रॉपर्टी सेकंड थी हमारी, इन विच इफ वी चेंज द ग्रुप ऑफ द नंबर्स फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड सेकंड थर्ड देन सम इज इक्वल, सम विल नॉट चेंज. सो हेयर फर्स्ट नंबर वो यहाँ भी है, सेकंड नंबर सेकंड, थर्ड मीन्स थर्ड. सो विच नंबर इज मिसिंग? दिस वन. सो राइट दिस 1 6 5 3 5 0 0 4. Right? Because we know that grouping of the number is changed, order will be the same. Order आपका सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट में चेंज होगा. Clear my point? Order of the number will change in the property first. Now next, if I add 0 plus this number, answer be the number. Answer क्या आएगा? Number 624758 right? E part 0 plus what? That answer be this number. As we know property third, 0 plus number equals to number. So can we write this number here? Yes. 6 4 4 8 3 1 6 9. Right? Now F part. Number plus what? Answer be the same number. What we add in the number? If we add something, the number will change. So what we do? We will put here 0. If we add 0 to the number, then answer be the same number. Right? So these are the question on the basis of properties of addition. Now come to the question which are based on the properties of subtraction. These are the questions on the basis of properties of subtraction. Right? Now first question is, if we subtract dash minus 0 the number, so what we subtract? Number minus 0 equals to the number. So what come here? Same number 556 2606. Right? Number minus 0 be the number. Again property first, number minus 0 equals to number. So number is 356709 right? Now what I subtract from this number, that answer be the same number. See same number है आंसर में, तो क्या subtract करूँगी मैं? 0. Right? If I subtract nothing from the number, then answer be the same. Right? Now J part, dash minus number equals to 0. What I will subtract from the number, that the answer be the 0. Answer क्या है? 0. So what I will do? I will subtract the same number. So the answer be 0. Right? Now number minus number 0. What I again subtract from the number, that answer be the 0. So answer is same number 717497192. Right? So these are our two topics. First one is addition and subtraction together, and second topic is properties of addition and properties of subtraction. Right? Now our next topic will be the estimating sum and difference. Now we will estimate the sum and difference by rounding of the numbers. Right?